Hello, my name is Ken Wickersham with Avocor Benzel, District Manager for District number 10. That's North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, and Eastern Georgia. Been working for Benzel for 30 years. Started off in customer service back in '88. Worked my way up into the technical department. And then 1999, 2000, I got the opportunity to go out into outside sales. Been there ever since. But before I came to work for Benzel, I worked at a distributor pumping cylinder gases, loading trucks, and then worked the store. Working in the welding industry is pretty unique because you see anything from welding on small parts like dollies to welding on big ships, and anything in between, cars, tractors, anything that needs to be welded. And believe me, there's a lot of welding going on that people don't really realize. What I try to bring to the customers, my service, my loyalty to them, also my technical expertise. Want to make sure that I'm able to help troubleshoot issues, and also not just to be there to take orders. What makes me passionate about the Benzel product is Benzel's always innovating, trying to make things better for our end users. When you contact me, you're going to get a guy that's been around the business for 30 years, sales, technical, welded, I've done it all. You're going to get a guy that can give you some expertise and help out your customers.